Make a baby carriage diaper cake. Are you stumped on giving the perfect gift for a baby's shower? Do you prefer to give gifts that are thoughtful and personalized? You should give a baby carriage diaper cake. This is a different take on the diaper cake and will definitely please anyone who is expecting a little bundle of joy. You can personalize this gift, while being budget-friendly. If you are intent on giving a baby carriage diaper cake, below are steps on how to assemble it. Arrange the diapers. Choose the right size diapers for the baby. Whether it is for a newborn baby or older, make sure that the diapers are of the correct size. Following a rectangular shape, stand the diapers on end. Hold these together with a white rope or ribbon. This could be tricky to accomplish, so have someone steady the diapers while you tie them firmly with the ribbon. Measure the rectangle that you have created and note them down, adding an inch for each measurement for allowance. Cut 2 pieces of lace. Take a sweetly designed length of wide lace and cut 2 pieces, following the length of your rectangle measurements. Wrap one length around the diapers, in the center part. The second lace should be wrapped around the top layer of the diapers. Use a baby safety pin to secure these laces. Burp pads turn into carriage wheels. Roll your burp pads and turn them into wheel shapes. Pin these cloths firmly with safety pins. Cut out your cake board. Using the measurements that you took, cut out a piece of cardboard for your diaper cake. Cut out adhesive tapes and use these to place the diapers firmly on the cake boards. The adhesive tapes will prevent the diapers from shaking, thus keeping the shape of your baby carriage diaper cake. Attach your burp pad carriage wheels onto the cake cardboard as well. Use more adhesive tape to make it stick more. Bibs turn into the carriage hood. Tie bib strings together to form a rounded arc. Place this arc at the back of the diaper carriage to make it look like the carriage hood. You can attach the bib to the lace by using tiny safety pins. Top it off with ribbons and a stuffed toy. To cover the safety pins that may be visible, take a wide ribbon and tie it swiftly around your makeshift baby carriage. Arrange the ribbons properly so they will look like carriage edges. Place a sweet little stuffed toy inside the carriage and arrange so that it looks like a baby is sleeping inside. Fill the inside with other baby items such as rattles, pacifiers and baby bottles. Cover the diaper carriage with cellophane. Wrap the entire diaper carriage with transparent cellophane so everything will remain in place. Tie the edges with a pretty ribbon and you are all set. Don't forget to attach a nice little card to your precious gift once you are done with your package. Giving a diaper baby carriage is surely one of the most unique ways to give gifts during a baby shower. It will surely reflect the love and effort that you put in while you are creating this sweet project.